So guys, here it is, the unboxing of the Zyuden Sentai Kyoryuger. I can never say that the first time. As you see the front, the two batteries, Gaburevolver and Stamira. More art. I've already pre-opened it to take out off the plastic. There's the top, which would make a good wallpaper. There's the back. Or there's the side, rather. And the back. It is expected in Japanese. And let me tell you that 2 AAA batteries are required and do not come in it. So here we go with the unboxing. Of course, I'll try to do this one-handed. Okay, and of course this came on top of it, this little cardboard piece. Definitely not the knife. Of course that's the packaging stuff that was on top of the big box that came with it. Just the instructions, and if you could translate that, good for you. Standard boxing stuff. Like I said, no batteries came in it. And even without the batteries in, the Beast batteries in it, it has some pretty good heft to it. Like I would say this is show quality. And of course the batteries. And every Kyoryuger fan knows that it doesn't work until you say brave in. And there you go. Of course that side is glow in the dark. That side has the holographic foil on the back. Same for Stamira. Back of it. Front of Gaburevolver, or back of Gaburevolver. And of course, to put in the batteries, the Beast batteries, you have to push this down. And then of course I'm trying to do this one-handed, so push down this trigger, pull this down, and it opens the mouth. Same thing with closing it. You have to hold this down and push that down at the same time. Of course there's the power button. There's the revolver part. And there you have it.